Hey guys, this is Tara with Teaching on Lemon Lane, and I'm just going to give you a brief tutorial of how to use the digital template. So let's say that we are doing a biography-based bracket challenge, and my person that I've selected is Abraham Lincoln. So I need to insert a picture of Abraham Lincoln. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to single click on the picture placeholder, come up here to replace image, and now I'm going to search the web, and I'm going to type in Abraham Lincoln. And it's going to give me all of these options. So I'm going to look through them and then I'm going to pick my favorite. I'm going to go with this one, or let's go with the top. So to select this and insert it in, I can either single click and then click replace, or I can actually just double click and it's automatically going to insert the picture into the picture placeholder for me. The next thing that I would do is that I would type his name here, because this tab is going to be used in the bulletin board to show kind of that first seed. Type my name, type his name, and then I'm going to come over here and reflect. So I would rate my confidence level on how well I think Abraham is going to do in the bracket challenge. And then I'm going to give my top 3 reasons why I think that he's going to do so well. So that's an option or an example of using the digital template with the frame. Let's say that we're doing books though. So let's say that I've chosen Wonder as my book and I want to insert it into the picture placeholder as the cover. So I would come up here, I single click on the pattern, replace image, and now I'm going to search the web. So let's try Wonder book cover. And I search and notice it's really small right there, but none of these are great options. The reason why Wonder is not pulling up is because we don't have a public domain image, which means that it's free for use. So what I need to do is I need to save a picture of the book cover Wonder to my device. So what I would do is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to open up a new tab, and I'm going to use the Google search here, Wonder book cover. And this result is going to give me images that aren't just public domain images. So I come over here to images and I find a good option. Looks like there's lots of good options. Let's just do that first one. And now I'm going to right click and I'm going to save the image as Wonder. And I save it to my device. And now I come over here and we're going to follow the same steps, but instead of using the Google search, we are going to upload from our device. So I single click on the picture placeholder, replace image, and now I click upload from computer. I select the one that I want, I click open, and it automatically inserts it into my picture placeholder. I type the name of it here, I fill out the rest, and then we would simply print. To print, we go File, Print. If by chance you're having difficulty with the print preview coming up, another option would be to download PDF. And so it would download this slide as a PDF and then you can print it from there. So those are your options for inserting pictures into that picture placeholder. Hope this helps. Hope you have a lot of fun with this. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.